Chapter 7. Project Markup. ArchiCAD's Project Markup is an advanced collaboration tool to facilitate communication between designers throughout all levels of the design phases. It enables architects to point out or redline problematic design elements, add new elements, open discussions, and manage change history. ArchiCAD provides an elegant, streamlined, and paperless solution for this collaboration issue. Step 1. Project Markup Styles. In this step, we will first set up a teamwork project to reproduce a real architect's office environment and situation with 2 ArchiCAD workstations. We will use Teamwork for the exercise. You could also use ArchiCAD solo project files, but in that case you wouldn't enjoy the benefits of the Teamwork and Markup tool combination. You could, however, become acquainted with the basic markup features. After opening the col7.pln ArchiCAD solo project file, use the File, New, Share menu command to start sharing the project file. In the Share This Project dialog, click the Users button in the upper right corner and select Mary Jones from the list. This step supposes that you have completed all previous chapters of the training guide. If you have done so, your BIM server is running and you have Mary Jones and Joe Smith defined as users in the Server Manager. In the Server drop-down list, select the name of your local computer. Keep all fields, including project name, category, and the state of the radio buttons as they are now, and click the Share button to share the project on the local BIM server. We will have the same users in this chapter as in previous chapters, Mary Jones and Joe Smith. Mary Jones has a lead architect role, Joe Smith currently a draftsman role. Before joining this shared project as Joe Smith, we will need to modify his role to lead architect, because in this chapter both users will need complete access to the entire project file. Right-click the BIM server icon in the taskbar on Windows or in the menu bar on Mac, and select Open GRAPHISOFT BIM Server Control Center from the context menu. Click the Server Manager button to open the BIM Server Manager application. Click Users on the left pane of the dialog, and select Joe Smith. Then click the Settings button. Change the role field in the User Settings dialog from Draftsman to Lead Architect, and then click OK to accept changes. If Joe Smith is still joined to any shared project, this step will bring up a warning message. Click Force Leave Now in the appearing warning dialog in case it appears. Then click Close to leave the Server Manager dialog. Also close the BIM Server Control Center. We can now join the project as Joe Smith, who is now a lead architect. Use the File, Open/Join Teamwork Project menu command. In the upcoming dialog, set your local computer for the server. Set Joe Smith as user, and select the previously shared Chapter 7 from the list. Check the Launch New Instance of ArchiCAD checkbox at the bottom, and click Join to join the project as Joe Smith. If the Join Project dialog appears, click OK to proceed. Now that both users are online, let's see how we can define markup styles. Switch to the first opened ArchiCAD instance of Mary Jones. You will find the username in the title bar of the floor plan view. Select the Options, Element Attributes, Markup Styles menu command to open the Markup Styles dialog. The dialog lists the currently defined markup style names in the Correction Elements panel. There are 2 color boxes next to each markup style name. The first box displays the pen color used for correction elements of the selected markup style, while the second displays the pen color used for the highlighted elements. When creating new attributes, it's not necessary to reserve a dialog. Click the New button to create a new style for rejected design variations. Enter Rejected in the name field of the upcoming dialog and click OK to close it. In the Style Attributes panel of the dialog, define Pen 68 for correction elements and Pen 108 for highlighted elements. Then click OK to accept these changes and leave the dialog. Use the Teamwork Send Changes command to send these changes to the shared project file.